Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. And you know what? Sometimes you want something just like luscious and creamy and delicious and elevated. Listen, I know, we've been locked up way too long, and I got you. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my twice baked seafood potatoes. And when I tell you, like, we're about to change the game with this, I got 4 potatoes, russet potatoes that I just put holes in them, baked them off 350. We can split them open, and I'm gonna scoop out the insides of the potatoes and put them right into a bowl. All right, so I've emptied out all of the insides of the potatoes. I don't know about you, but I never met a potato that didn't like a little piece of butter, okay? Because butter and potatoes go together, okay? And then I'm also gonna add in a little bit of half and half, just to sort of make this nice and juicy. All right, give that a stir. And then to this, we can start adding in lots of really great things. Once we get this to the right consistency, like almost like a mashed potato. You know how that goes, right? All right, let's get this all seasoned up. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of onion powder. Got a little bit of garlic powder in there as well. A little bit of smoked paprika. Then I've got a little bit of Old Bay as well, right? Seafood potato. Let's just drop a little bit of salt. And I've got some fresh cracked black pepper. And then we can add our cheese in. So I'm gonna be using 2 types. The first is gonna be a grated Parmesan cheese, because why not? And then also I've got some mild cheddar cheese as well. So let's give that a good mix. Let's add in all the things that make this taste like a seafood potato. I've got some fresh shrimp, and I've also got some lump crab meat that I want to throw in here as well. And I just want to put a few herbs in here just before I bring this all together. So I've got some fresh parsley. I've also picked some fresh thyme as well. Since it's so good, let's just do one more. And then we'll just give that a nice chop, all right? And then this goes right into the bowl. And then now we just mix this all together, all right? And then we have the lovely task at this point of piling this high right into our potato skins. All right, so my oven is preheated, 350 degrees, but we gotta get a little bit more cheese first, right? And now these can go into that hot oven. Oh, they cook right up. No, listen. You gotta give it a try. Well, hard. I mean, listen. When you want something decadent, this is it. The recipe, you know where it's gonna be on the website. It's DariusCooks.tv. There's 2 things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food, y'all. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.